Welcome to GSB Seva Mandal, GSB Ganesha. This I am shooting on the Moza Mini gimbal. Moza Mini Me gimbal. This is the most beautiful Ganpati Ganesha Pandal in Mumbai, GSB, one of the most expensive Ganeshas. And the people here are the GSB community. It's a very beautiful community, totally devoted, passionate. And this is the difference among all the pandals and this pandal. This pandal has everyone pulling in. Everyone has come down from Australia, from Singapore, from Dubai, just to be with the Lord. And this is the community. They're all these are all the humble, I don't know what to call them, but these are the humble souls. And the beauty of this community, the GSB community, is the passion that you will not find at any pandal. Because all of them, their women, their children, their elders, they all come here, leaving aside everything. There is no ego here, there is no pride, there is no envy, there is just love. And their love touches even a Muslim like me. I am the only Muslim that has been documenting this particular Ganpati along with Lal Bagh Ka Raja for last 25 years. So, Ganpati is not about religion. It is about culture, it is about Sanskriti, it is about values. And it brings forth, this Ganpati brings forth all the beautiful inner virtues that are hidden. And I'm proud to be a friend of all these GSB community. Thank you.
जय गुरु गणेश। जेवण प्रसाद चालू आहे। मंडपमध्ये असलेले लोकांनी दिनमय मेमोरियल अन्नपूर्ण सभागृह इकडे जाणे। भोजन प्रसाद चालू आहे।
इधर ही है, इधर ही है। So how are you? You got my message?
I got it.
हाँ नहीं that day. पर थोड़ा बात करिएगा ना, थोड़ा बात करिएगा। थोड़ा।
जरूर। अभी yesterday I had gone there.
Okay.
But अगर आपने जो फोटो निकाला
हाँ पिंकी जी सब ठीक है। डिम्पल जी को सलाम कहिएगा। अब मैं Alia, come here. Call him. What is your name? What is your name? So these are the future of GSB, and these are these young kids that put in so much of passion, love and dedication for Lord GSB. I'm very proud of them. These are the most beautiful part of GSB community. Jai Maharashtra. And this is the most famous Mumbai police, one of the best police in the world. And because of them, there is so much of peace, there is so much of, and I hope Commissioner Mr. Sanjay Bharve is listening to me, that I have shot Lal Bagh Ka Raja. The police are our integral part of our peace and peaceability. Thank you, sir. Jai Maharashtra. Jai Maharashtra. Om Namo Narayan. वो सब ठीक है? तुम अच्छा आदमी है. How are you, sir? Fine, sir. Every year we meet once and then we disappear. And this video of mine is dedicated to the memory of late Dinesh Pai, the man who introduced me to Lord Ganesha and put the love of Lord Ganesha in my Muslim heart. Thank you. This is the GSB Seva Mandal, allegiance to Dharmapita Sri Kashi Mat Samastan Varnasi.
ನಮ್ಮ ಟಿವಿ ಕೊನೆಸ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಯುವಕ
दादा Raghu ji, the two great photographers of GSB, my best friends, great emotions here. तो हमें अब पहले आके आप ही को पूछा. This is the great Lord GSB Ganesha, the most beautiful Ganesha, pride of Mumbai and pride of GSB community. पाई किधर है? डॉक्टर पाई का है? डॉक्टर पाई These are the beautiful people of GSB touching everybody's heart and soul. And this is Lord GSB and all his, the most expensive Ganpati, overladen with gold. It's amazing. And the most famous guy is Dr. Pai. And don't ask me why. Dr. Pai is the most dynamic person, and he is the one who introduced me. Yeah, I'm a Muslim guy who has been documenting this iconic Ganpati for last 18 or 20 years, all because of Dr. Pai.
He is a Bollywood fashion designer.
He changed my heart.
He designs clothes for a lot of Bollywood people.
ओके मैंने फुल निकाल लिया
These are the helpers of Lord GSB. It's going to be
गणपती बाप्पा आज आमच्या गणपतीला महागणपतीला दीपाराधनेक उज्ज्वलना इंडस्ट्रीज हैदराबाद तैतुकोनो आमगेले मलकाड जवळशिले श्रीमान प्रकाश पैमाम तशीची तंगेल धर्मपत्नी तशीची तंगेल पूदू अभिजीत पै आणि दीप प्रज्वलन करण्यासाठी राममन जीडी राम 1 मिनिट होगा
You have something to say? You have been coming here for many years now.
Many years, yeah. Been staying here behind.
Yeah, that I know.
Have to come now.
This is Pikki Ji from Bollywood.
No way.
No, you're not from Bollywood.
I'm not from Bollywood.
Bollywood
I have
is
connection
but
with
Bollywood is connected to you.
Yes.
So, yeah. Just hold this. Sunil. This is my friend Sunil.
Where?
This is my friend Sunil who has introduced me to Lord Ganesha, GSB.
जय गुरु गणेश दीपाराधना सुबेदार
Sunil comes from Dubai every year. He never misses this festival. And it's people like him that touch human hearts. And Sunil and I are very good friends.
I come every year from Dubai mainly to serve Ganpati. Because of his blessings, what I am today, it's only because of his blessings. My family were supposed to come, but due to short holidays, they are not able to come. But I do not miss coming here every year.
Yeah, I know that.
And I make sure that I come and serve this Lord for all the 5 days.
That is the most beautiful part. It's called Seva, part of GSB Seva Mandal. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Sunil.
Mainly, we come and meet all my family members, my friends who are from abroad. People come from US, Ireland, Muscat, Kuwait, Dubai. And it's a good place to get
to
involved
bond
and meet people
and to reunite.
once in a year.
Thank you,
Jai
sir.
Guru Ganesh.
Thank you.
दीपालंकार सेवक मोटे गड़बड़ करो ना जो सेवक है सबको चांस मिलेगा जय गुरु गणेश जीएसबी सेवा मंडल चेयरमैन रमेश भंडारकर दशजी सेक्रेटरी शिवानंद वर्मा कृष्णाई पै अन्नी माधवपुरली विजय श्रीका दशजी श्रीमान आरजी भट्ट वाइस चेयरमैन यशवंत राम तसेच विष्णू कामत आणि प्रशांत पुराणे आणि माधव पुराणे विजय स्टेशन योग का ते जो बरोबर आहे त्याची मुद्दा वाटते सर्टिफिकेशन
This is the GSB सेवा मंडल गणेशा दिलों में रहे हमेशा. I'm connected to this Ganpati for last 18 years. Thanks to Dr. Pai, Dinesh Pai, Sunil Shenoy, Mr. KD Shenoy, a lot of other people. Ahmad Pai.
आता दीपावली पूजे प्रारंभ झाला तेव्हा वाद्य पाहिजे GSB सेवा मंडळाचे 66 गणेशोत्सवाचे दोन्ही दिवस आज आमगेले इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे आमगेलेची समाजाचे चेडू म्हाका सत्कार करचो त्या कार्यक्रमाचो थोडे वेळाचे प्रारंभ करता
आता एक महाराजांना आज दिलाचा असा मागील
मंडळाचे अध्यक्ष श्रीमान रमेश भंडारकर दैनिक बोर्ड माधवपुराणे वेदिका योगा मंडळाचे उपाध्यक्ष श्रीमान यशवंत कामत आणि वेदिका योगा त्यांनी येताना आमचे राहायचे चीफ गेस्ट अभिजित पाय आमचे घेऊन योगा तसेच त्यांनी अभिजित पाय बापूस श्रीमान प्रकाश बैमान प्रकाश बैमान प्लीज टू कंपनी अभिजित तसेच प्रकाश बैमान कंपनी यांनी काही गोष्टी योगा मंडळाचे सगळे तसेच
वीडियो ले रहे हो
Om Namo Narayan. I am here at the GSP Seva Mandal Ganpati,
डॉक्टर मुजेश
and
भाई
thanks to the
हे योगा
GSP community that has made me a part of their life also. And this Ganpati is not an ordinary Ganpati. This is a Ganpati that is known as hospitality, humility and humanity. The people who are GSP over here are very lucky because this Ganpati is nurtured on their love, their passion and their dedication. You will never see this kind of feeling anywhere at any pandal as you feel over here. In last 18 years, and I am dedicating this interview to the late memory of Mr. Dinesh Pai. He loved me and he brought me here along with Dr. B.U. Pai, Sukhik Shinoy, Santosh. There are so many of them, I don't know the names, but they have been a part of my life. And GSP, I have never asked for anything from GSP because even after not asking, he still gives me friends like Sunil and friends like Santosh. So, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Ganesha, दिलों में रहे हमेशा. Thank you.